In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your LinkedIn profile to Twitter in just 5 minutes. By linking these two platforms, you can effectively broaden your professional reach and enhance your networking capabilities. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to LinkedIn's website by typing linkedin.com into the address bar. Once there, you'll need to log into your LinkedIn account. If you haven't set up an account yet, you can do so using Google, Microsoft, or simply your email address and a password. In case you already have an account, make sure to enter your login credentials accurately. Now, if you have enabled two-factor authentication on your LinkedIn account, the platform might request additional verification for security purposes. This usually involves entering a code that is sent to your registered phone number to ensure it's really you who is trying to access the account. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture or the Me icon. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select View Profile to head to your profile page. Now that you're on your personal profile page, move your cursor just below your profile picture. Here you will find the Contact Info option. Click on it to proceed. You will then see a pencil icon which indicates the Edit option. Go ahead and click this pencil icon to open the editing interface for your contact information. Scroll down a bit until you see the website section. To add your Twitter profile link, click on the plus sign button that sits beside this section. A field will open up where you can enter web URLs. This is where you will input your Twitter URL. If you're unsure about your Twitter URL, it's typically structured like this: twitter.com, your username. Make sure to enter this URL correctly so that anyone viewing your LinkedIn profile can easily find and connect with you on Twitter. Once you have entered your Twitter URL, take a moment to review all the changes and ensure the accuracy of the information. When you're satisfied with your entry, click on the Save button. This action will finalize the connection between your LinkedIn profile and your Twitter account, and that's all there is to it. By following these instructions, you've successfully linked your LinkedIn profile with your Twitter account. This connection will allow you to seamlessly share updates between platforms, enhance your professional network, and maintain a cohesive online presence. Happy networking!